Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will show how to make avocado mousse. First, let's gather our simple ingredients. You'll need 2 ripe avocados, about 1/4 cup of your preferred sweetener, and 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder. For extra creaminess and flavor, add 1/4 cup of plant-based milk and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Make sure your avocados are perfectly ripe for the best results. Now let's get blending. Place all your prepared ingredients into a high-speed blender or food processor. Blend on high until the mixture is incredibly smooth and there are absolutely no lumps remaining. You might need to pause and scrape down the sides a few times to ensure everything is incorporated evenly. This step is key for that luxurious mousse texture. Once blended, transfer your delicious avocado mousse into individual serving dishes or a single bowl. For the best consistency and flavor, chill the mousse in the refrigerator for at least 30 minutes. This allows it to firm up slightly and enhances the taste. When ready to serve, feel free to add your favorite garnishes, like fresh berries or a sprinkle of chocolate shavings. Here are a few pro tips to elevate your avocado mousse. Always taste and adjust the sweetener to your preference. You can always add more, but you can't take it out. For an even richer, deeper chocolate flavor, consider using dark cocoa powder or adding a tiny pinch of sea salt. And hey, while you're treating yourself to delicious desserts, why not treat your feet too? Check the description for a link to Darn Tough socks and other great deals. They're truly worth it.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.